Hi everyone, my name is Robin Scrimger with Coldwell Banker Oceanside Real Estate here in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia, and today we are looking at an immaculate half duplex in West Hills in Langford. If you're not familiar with West Hills, there are phenomenal hiking trails all around here. You've got close proximity to Victoria. You've got close proximity to mountains, hills, nature. This is a great family neighborhood with a lot of wonderful schools, new schools being built all of the time. Several upgrades in the home include a new kitchen cabinetry with soft close cabinets. You've got a gas cooktop, you've got a gas fireplace, you've got a huge master or primary bedroom with a beautiful ensuite with a walk-in shower. It's got 3 bedrooms on the upper level. It's got a double car garage with additional parking for 2 vehicles on the driveway. And you've got views of mountains in every direction. This neighborhood is nice and quiet, it's very family oriented, or it's a perfect option for if you're looking to downsize and you just need a little less space. This is certainly a great option for you. If you've got any questions about this home or you'd like to schedule a viewing, please reach out. You can give me a call, email, or a text, and I'd be happy to get you through or provide you with more information. And in the meantime, enjoy all that Victoria has to offer. If you're coming from afar, this is definitely a great place to look. Have a great day.